Welcome, today we're going to show you how to fix Vencord not working broken Discord install error. So the first fix that you can try to do is to repair Vencord. So you need to press Ctrl Alt and Delete at the same time to open Task Manager. So just press Ctrl Delete and Alt and that will open a quick menu and you need to choose Task Manager. So after you open Task Manager from here, you need to go to Discord as see from here and click on End Task. So you need to just right click on Discord and click on End Task as see from here. So after you do that, you need to open this website and download Vencord again. So you need to re-download it. After that, you need to run the installer again and click on Repair or Reinstall, and then open Discord and see if that fixes your issue. Also, you need to try to reinstall Discord, not only Vencord, if the problem doesn't fix with you. So you need to also open Discord website as see from here and reinstall the app from here. Try to also restart your PC by clicking on the start menu as see from here, click on the power button and click on restart, or you can actually click on shutdown and then turn on the PC again. That will actually fix your issue. So that's actually how you fix this issue. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.